80. Today we are inspecting a vehicle at the construction site that has abnormal noises. Upon disassembly, we found the gear oil solidified, and all gears are already worn out and scrapped. First, we open the track and then remove the travel motor. We unscrew all the drive screws and remove all the motor hoses. After removing the board, let's plug it. Your oil leakage is severe, and the motor's central shaft oil pump is also leaking oil. Let's disassemble the motor and replace the oil pump together. We unscrew all the motor cover screws, and now the cover is open. Now the boss has the components, let's assemble them. Let's rinse the new parts and first insert the secondary piston. Then put in 2 spherical light bulbs. Then insert the rocking plate and the barbell. Next, we'll put the brake pad back in, spread butter on the ham, secure the spring, and then close the lid. Now the motor connected, we hang it on the car, ensuring alignment during installation. First, tighten inner fixed screws. We install these overflow valves with paper ring screws and apply thread sealant to prevent them from loosening during use. Don't forget to add gear oil. Now the motor is installed and ready for shoe installation. The fixed foot means the sound system is now problem-free, allowing it to operate for many more years.